Namaskar and a very good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are very good at your home during lockdown period. I, Mohammad Said Khurshid Ahmed, Assistant Professor, School of Hotel Management, BBD University, Lucknow. Today I am going to take a lecture on the topic of attributes of housekeeping staff or personal qualities of housekeeping staff. There are lots of qualities which are found in housekeeping staff, FMB staff, or we can say that hotel staff. But some qualities are differ from staff to staff or department to department. Here we are going to tell about the attributes of housekeeping staff, right? So there are lots of attributes or personal qualities of housekeeping staff. Here this is the list of housekeeping staff. ठीक. First is pleasant personality. First is pleasant personality. Second is physical fitness, personal hygiene, eye for detail, cooperation, adaptability, honesty, tact and diplomacy, right attitude, punctuality, courtesy, good memory, and loyalty. These are the some attributes or quality which are found in the housekeeping staff, right? The one by one we are discussing each points. First is pleasant personality. A pleasant personality is the result of good grooming and good presentation in front of guest. Second, a housekeeper should have pleasant personality so that he can impress the guest that arrive in the hotel. His behavior should give positive impact on the guest. The housekeeping staff should be turned out in clean and crispy uniforms. He should always welcome the guest with a smile and the voice pitch should be maintained. This is the some quality of which are found in the housekeeping staff. Pleasant personality. Second is personal hygiene. You all know about the hygiene, personal hygiene. Hair should be cut, nails should be cut, teeth should be washed every day. You take the bath, your cloth or uniform should be clean and pressed, tidy. So these are the personal hygiene. Not odors or bad smells comes from your mouth or your body, right? These are the some personal hygienes because the housekeeping staff direct contact with the guest. Only housekeeping staff can directly contact with the guest, right? So you should have personal hygiene. You should maintain your personal hygiene, right? First point is housekeeping staff must maintain a high standard of personal hygiene as it reflects on the hygiene of standard of the hotel. They must take a bath daily to avoid bad odor. Their hair must be clean and well combed. Uniforms of the staff should be clean and good looking. Report to doctor in case of infection or cuts. Next topic is physical fitness. You know, every staff or every person should have physically fit. Either he is hotel staff or housekeeping staff is not, he or not, but you should have always fit at all time, right? So we are talking about the physical fitness. Physical fitness is necessary to everyone, either you are doing or anything else, right? Housekeeping is 24 into 7 into 365 operation, and the staff work long hours on their feet. 24 hours, 7 days, and 365 days means whole year operation, and the staff works long hours on their feet. वो अपने पैरों पर कम से कम 9 to 10 hours कंटिन्यू खड़ा रहता है एंड फिजिकल वर्क करता है. इफ़ ही इज़ नॉट फिजिकली फिट, हाउ कैन ही मूव हैवी ट्रॉली, heavy soiled dirty linens? How can you bend making the bed 15 or 20 beds in a one shift? The staff should have physically fit, right? Most of the work is manual in nature and require them to handle heavy equipments, as already told, right? Housekeeping staff must maintain their level of fitness at the optimum to perform required standards. The ideal housekeeping staff should possess a strong heart and good feet. एक मजबूत दिल और अच्छा पैर, मीन्स मजबूत पैर भी होना चाहिए और दिल से मजबूत होना चाहिए ताकि वो फिजिकली फिट रहे और 9 आवर्स की शिफ्ट में वो फिजिकली फिट होकर सारा काम कर सके. ठीक है. इफ़ ही इज़ नॉट फिजिकली फिट, हाउ कैन यू मेक द बेड? इफ़ द यू आर मेकिंग द बेड, यू बेंड, स्टैंड, स्टिच. ठीक है. आपको झुकना, उठना, बैठना बार पड़ता है. तो इफ़ यू आर नॉट फिजिकली फिट, you cannot make the bed, you cannot move heavy equipments from one floor to another floor, you cannot take heavy bundles to the floor pantry, from the floor pantry to the laundry or linen room. If you are physically fit, you can do all these things frequently, right? And next point is eye for detail. Next quality is eye for detail. What is the mean of eye for detail? Means good observation in the terms of looking, observe to the guest, cleaning areas, see the cleaning areas, you judge all the unnecessary events which are done in the at your floors, right? You miss good observations. You have eye for detail means good observations. Eye for detail, this is one of the foremost attributes that housekeeping staff must possess. They must be able to take into consideration minute details that a layman may let go unobserved. The power of critical observation is what distinguishes good service from average. Room attendants need to have an eye for detail in order to make up a flawless guest room, and housekeeping supervisor need to have a sense of observations to inspect these rooms for perfections. GRA मीन्स गेस्ट रूम अटेंडेंट की ऑब्जर्वेशन या आई फॉर इतनी अच्छी होनी चाहिए कि जब वो रूम क्लीन करने जाता है तो वो एट ए टाइम ईच एंड एवरीथिंग्स ऑल एरियाज क्लीन, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग डन प्रॉपर, गुड वेनर्स, ठीक है, ताकि वो अपने ऑब्जर्वेशन का इंट्रोड्यूस करा सके. व्हेन सुपरवाइजर गो एंड चेक द रूम्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ रूम चेक लिस्ट, तो उसकी ऑब्जर्वेशन GRA से बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए ताकि वो उस हिडन सॉइल या सॉइल एरिया को भी चेक कर ले जो GRA ने छोड़ दिया या अनक्लीन किया हुआ, राइट. तो दोनों की ऑब्जर्वेशन बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए अपने अपने तरीके से. अ रूम अटेंडेंट नीड टू हैव एन आई फॉर डिटेल in order to make up a flawless guest room, and housekeeping supervisor need to have a sense of observation to inspect these rooms for perfections, right. And the next quality is cooperation. Housekeeping staff must cooperate not only with each other but also with the staff of other departments. This is absolutely essential since housekeeping involves a lot of teamwork for efficient functioning. If there is a lack of cooperation and coordination, it directly affects the guest and hampers of efficiency. If there is a lack of cooperation and coordination, it indirectly affects the guest and hampers of efficiency. Next quality is adaptability. ग्रहण करने की, याद करने की, ठीक है, क्षमता हाउसकीपिंग स्टाफ में ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए, एडॉप्ट करने की, राइट. दिस इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वालिटी ऑफ हाउसकीपिंग स्टाफ. दे शुड बी विलिंग टू ट्राई आउट एंड एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विथ न्यू आइडियाज़. द एंट्री ऑफ फॉरेन होटल चेन into India has brought about an immense sense of competition, due to which hotels in India are now trying out more innovative methods and materials in housekeeping. The staff should accept and adopt to change willingly and should welcome such innovations. And the next is, this is the most important qualities for housekeeping staff: honesty. This is very essential attributes of housekeeping staff, especially GRA means guest room attendant, who have direct access to guest rooms and guest belongings. Guest belongings, sometimes valuable, are found lying around in the rooms, and temptation to theft are great. It is only the personal quality, discipline and integrity that checks this temptation. Next quality is tact and diplomacy. चतुराई जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है, जो टैक्ट एंड डिप्लोमेसी, चटुकारिता जिसको बोलते हैं. हाउसकीपिंग स्टाफ कम इनटू क्लोज कांटेक्ट विथ वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ गेस्ट. सम गेस्ट may take unusual requests and complaints. Sometimes guests may be fussy and demand service that overrides management policies. It requires lots of tact and diplomacy on the part of housekeeping staff to handle such guests at their level, since under no circumstances can they be rude to guest or his her sentiments. Staff need to be trained in handling guests who makes such request. And next is right attitude. Right attitude. Most managers agrees that a candidate with right attitude is more of an of them assets to them than a candidate who has the skill but wrong attitude. The candidate with good attitude display an even temper, courtesy, and good humor and does not betray displeasure even in the most difficult of times. They learn from their mistakes and are always optimistic. The employee with right attitude, proactive, and anticipates the guest needs and wishes. And the next one is punctuality. You know the meaning, you all are know the meaning of punctuality, right? If you are not punctual with related to your work, related to your job, related to your parents, your timing, your homework, each and everything, if you are punctual, you can do each and every, right, every task within the time. Punctuality is also important. If an employee continually late for duty, it shows lack of interest in the work and a lack of respect for the management and guest. Respect for time during working hours will reflects on the employee's work and help to create an impression worthy of appreciation. And next quality is courtesy. A housekeeping employee should extend courtesy to both guests or colleagues. It is essential that while dealing with guests, the staff be humble and polite. Housekeeping staff should never argue with a guest, and if they cannot deal with situations, it should be referred immediately to a senior member of the team. Guests will always remember pleasant and charming staff, pleasant and charming staff, as this adds to the positive experiences in a hotel. And the next is good memory. Good memory is an essential asset in housekeeping staff, particularly when dealing when regular guests and repeat customers. A staff member who remembers a guest likes, dislikes, needs and wishes will be tremendous assets to the hotel. And last one is loyalty. Last one is loyalty. लॉयल होना अपने होटल्स के लिए, अपने कंपनी के लिए, इट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट quality for the housekeeping staff. An employee's first obligation and loyalty are to the establishment in which they are employed and to its management. A situation should never arise when employees use guests as their sounding boards. They should respect the policies and decisions of the management. Here, these are the some points. These are the some points we are discuss. The quality of housekeeping staff. There are lots of qualities in the housekeeping staff. Punctuality, quality, loyalty, honesty, right attitude, tact and diplomacy. These are the some points which we are understand, right? They are the qualities or attributes of housekeeping staff. Pleasant personality, physical fitness, personal hygiene, eye for detail, cooperation, adaptability, honesty, tact and diplomacy, right attitude, punctuality, courtesy, good memory, and loyalty. In all 12 personal qualities, the housekeeping staff, the major three qualities, the three qualities of the housekeeping, the most three qualities of the housekeeping staff is pleasant personality, physical fitness, and eye for detail. Pleasant personality, physical fitness, and eye for detail. Eye for detail means I have already told the good observation. If you have a good observation, you observe the guest quality. If the guest is fussy or guest is the good manners, so you take care of the guest, right? You observe within a second कि how many types of the guest, what behavior is the guest, what is behavior for the guest, ठीक है, towards hotel property, towards your contact with, right? The eye for detail means better observation, good observation. You should take all this. Pleasant personality. First impression is the pleasant personality. If you go in front of the guest see your face to top to bottom, your hair, your nails, your uniforms. You should have well groomed. In well groomed, uniform should be well maintained and pressed, crispy, tidy. Your hair should be good. Your personality, you're good looking or very good. Physical fitness also necessary during physical fitness, because of you move, you take heavy equipments from one floor to another floor. You have a good physical fitness strength, right? So these are the some points we are discussing in this lecture, in this session. Okay? That's it. This is the end of the lecture. Thank you very much. If there is, I repeat again, if there is any problem related these topics, you can contact me on my number. My number is 933 580 5803. Thank you very much.